Just dropped my mom off at the airport. It's 6 a.m. Time for me to wake up right now. Hooray! Hey, at least, I won't be late. I won't be late to school today, That's a plus. Get up. Hi. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. You're cute. Breakfast. My second class got canceled. So I just got my ethics at 8 a.m. And then we're locked in. I think I'm gonna go to sleepy early today. Early sleep on a Friday. Cause I'm tired, bruh. Holy frick. Tongues. Home time. Well, I'm home. I am home. This is me home. Walking home. I am home. Hell. With the Hellhound. Hi, Hellhound Leo. Coda. You're so cute, Coda. So happy. So happy. Arr. And then there's the little fluffies. Little goober. Goober in the basket. She's so funny. Mom's gone for the weekend. Time to throw a rager. Am I right? Just kidding. Just kidding. My mom watches these videos. Why? I wouldn't say that in the video. She would know I'm throwing a rager. That's so silly. That's so silly. I wouldn't do that. Come on, I wouldn't. I want to take a nap, but I don't take naps for real. I have funky band, funk moments in 5 hours. Yes, I'm wearing the same outfit from yesterday, minus the shirt, underwear, and socks. Because, why not, bro? Why freaking not, dude? I have so much reading to do, drawings to do, assignments to do, workout to do, cook to do, eat to do. I'll do that. Eventually. Push-ups, squats, rows, lunges. Let's go. Let's go. I haven't eaten since breakfast. This workout is rough on an empty stomach, on a minimal full stomach. Holy frick. And now I'm off to go. I just speed ran my workout because I was working out and then breaking, and then during my break I was doing some Spotify stuff, making playlists and making little album covers for my playlist covers, and the time just got away from me, bruh. And so I had to speed run it. Didn't get to eat, but I have my liquid protein.
2, 3, 4.
moves pretty fast. If you don't stop to look around once in a while, you might miss it. I made it home. There's a storm brewing. This weekend is gonna be catastrophic. There's going to be snow. There's going to be wind. There's going to be ice. There's going to be cold. There's going to be power outages. Yeah. Get ready. Bundle up. Bundle up. It's freaking 5:48. I've been awake for almost 13 hours. Like, I need to do homework. I need to feed the dogs at 6. I need to eat. I need to go to sleep soon. Oh, God. Oh, God. Here's a Croc update. I don't know if I've ever shown my hero Crocs on my channel. Maybe a while ago, but when they weren't demolished. She gets them good. So I ate. Still, I don't know, it's weird. I eat and I still feel hungry. And I feel like I ate a good amount of food. I ate more leftover concoction. And I don't know, I still feel hungry. I don't know if I need to eat more or what, but like I feel that the concoction I made is pretty well rounded. It's got meat, pasta, cheese, vegetables. You know, it's kind of hitting the main food groups. I would think that would give me energy and sustenance, but maybe not. I'm gonna end the video here because I am very tired and I need to do my schoolwork and Duolingo. This is the first day all year, I think, I haven't done Duolingo when I woke up, because I woke up and I had to drive my mom to the airport. Wow. So I'm gonna do my lingo, do my schoolwork that's due tonight. I think it's only one thing, which isn't bad. And then go to bed, because I'm bugging for real. Hope you had a great Friday and are looking forward to the weekend. I know I'm not, because I got nothing to do. And it's gonna be snowing and storming and cold.